Hey guys, it's Kurt from the Forever Homestead. So today's video is a little bit different than our usual kind of video. This is kind of a thank you to a subscriber. If you want to see what I'm talking about, follow along. So one of our longtime subscribers, he's been following us since the very beginning of this journey. He reached out and let us know that he's sending us a gift. So I guess he went onto our wish list and he picked something up. He says he's always followed the channel because he likes watching us create stuff and he kind of likes what we're doing here. And he thinks that this is the kind of gift that we'd really do something great with here on the homestead. So he sent it last week or something like that, and it arrived today. He doesn't want me to say his name and stuff on here, or I would, but let's see what he sent us. So this is the Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer. I have never used a 3D printer. I know what they do, but I have to say I'm very excited to have one of these and to get this thing set up. I've heard that it's going to take me an hour or so to get it together. I will kind of fast forward this and kind of show you the end unit once it's done.
We both save some money, we could put it on a house. But if you got the itch, my dear, we can take 1,000 out and spend it carelessly. Oh, I don't really care as long as you're with me. So put your best dress on, we'll leave this town. Drive till we can't recognize the billboard signs or the faces we're around. I don't know just where we're going. I don't care as long as I'm with you. I don't know just where we're going. I don't care as long as I'm with. We got our share of problems, we can leave them all behind. To gain a new perspective, 1 mile marker at a time. I'm voting Tennessee, yeah. But I don't really care as long as you're with me. Put your best dress on, we'll leave this town. And drive till we can't recognize the billboard signs or the faces we're around. I don't know just where we're going, but I don't care as long as I'm with you. No, I don't know just where we're going, but I don't care as long as I'm with. Love makes you do crazy things. And love, you are my favorite thing. So put your best dress on, we'll leave this town. And drive till we can't recognize the billboard signs or the faces we're around. I don't know just where we're going. I don't care as long as I'm with you. I don't know
When I run from the pain, hide from the shame, I feel it in my body. And I just can't let go, tears start to flow, I feel it in my body. Girl, I feel this magic, and it's deep inside. 'Cause I believe in magic. When I see your eyes, you know that it's magic. Feel it deep inside. 'Cause I believe in magic. When I see your eyes, you know that it's when I run from the game, tired of the blame, I feel it in my body. When I just can't say no, fear starts to grow, I feel it in my body. Girl, I feel this magic, and it's deep inside. 'Cause I believe in magic. I see it in your eyes. You know that it's magic. Feel it deep inside. I believe in magic. When I see your eyes, I feel it in my body. Feel it in my body.
So it's been a few weeks since I have put out a video, and honestly the reason is the 3D printer. It's kind of been going non-stop for about 3 weeks. As you can see, I have the very beginning 3D printing. What I've done is pimp out the 3D printer. So we built, better filament, feeding system. I actually have a better bar here that's also on bearings, but this roll doesn't fit on it, so I have to take it off when I'm using those small cheap rolls of stuff. But I've also done a control panel here that actually controls all of the it controls the controls. There's still some wiring to go on it, but I've added a Raspberry Pi to it. It's basically in the 5 or so years since we've decided to kind of do this journey of building a homestead, the maker community, or the hobby part of from the standpoint of electronics and Raspberry Pis and Arduinos and 3D printers, it's all such cheap technology now, and you can do just amazing things with it. I'm so obsessed with it. Every spare moment I have is usually in what we're calling the lab or the fort, probably don't recognize this room, but this is actually the ensuite of our from the master bedroom, and it basically was just storage. So I've put a table in here, and slowly have taken it over as a 3D printing / lab, electronics, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so this 3D printer was pretty much one of the best gifts that anyone could ever give, because it is just spectacular. I'm having so much fun with it. So I'm going to wrap this up. I'm starting to build some pretty crazy things. My first robot is there running on an Arduino, completely 3D printed parts snapped together. It's got an ultrasonic sensor on it, so yeah, it's just kind of opened up a whole new world as far as hobbies go. So it's gonna be lots of fun. I'll probably create a new playlist for those of you that are interested in following along with the robotics and the electronics and the 3D printing. You'll be able to just get them on that playlist. And for those of you that are more interested in the build and stuff, I'm still continuing those videos as well. But anyway, thanks again to the subscriber that has gifted us this 3D printer. It's amazing. Although Jessica might not agree with that because she barely sees me anymore. But until the next time, have a good one.